Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Editing Basic. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through step-by-step process on how to add a page number in Canva. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in www.canva.com. After that, you can see the homepage of the Canva. Now here on the top right corner, you can see a create a design. Click on it and search A4. And open the A4 portrait document. Now here, if you want to add a page number on this page, you can simply click on the text, and here you can click on add a heading, and here you can type in the page number. You can resize this number as you prefer, and you can align at any position that you prefer. And for another page, you can see that it says duplicate page. Click on duplicate page and it will create a new page where the page number has also been copied. Here you can just simply edit that page number and make it as 2. And following this simple step, you can add a page number in a Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.